Am I even recording? I don't know. Let me see. I was recording. Okay. Hey everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to make an intro video for this channel to tell you guys a little bit about why I made this channel and what sorts of content you can expect to see in my coming videos. So I run a college advising company called Your Ivy Guide, and I work one-on-one with students through the college application process, medical school, dental school, basically any higher education application process. And we do everything together, from interview prep to writing a college list that kind of fits the student's needs, to kind of helping them brainstorm ideas for college application essays. Really any point through the college application process where they feel stuck, I'm there to offer guidance and support and some clarity about how best to proceed. And the reason I started this company was because I had a disastrous college application process. I grew up in a pretty small town in New Jersey, and no one in my family went to college. A lot of people in my high school weren't even looking to go to college, and I had no idea how to get into the colleges that I wanted to go to. And so I turned to teachers. They didn't really know. I asked my guidance counselor. She didn't really know. And so I started reading books. I read book after book after book. I went online to forums that just stressed me out a ton. And I kind of had to piece together what the process should look like so that I had the best chance of getting into the schools I wanted to. And it was stressful. It was overwhelming. I kept questioning myself every step of the way. And it wasn't so much actually applying that was bad. It was just learning how to. And I was super lucky to get into Yale. And while I was at Yale, I decided I wanted to go to med school. And so my third year of Yale, I started the med school application process. But this time I had the support of Yale guidance counselors. I had my peers at Yale who were also applying to med school. And I had the steps that I had learned from undergrad now still pretty much applied to medical school application. And it was like night and day. Although med school application process is crazy and stressful and busy and full of writing and interviewing and everything, it was so much better knowing the steps I needed to take. It was clearer, and I did not feel nearly as overwhelmed as I had for undergrad. And so kind of noticing the importance of knowing what to do when applying really inspired me to start Your Ivy Guide. And now is inspiring me to start this YouTube channel. Because as much as I love working with my students through Your Ivy Guide, I can only help a small number of students every year. My time is pretty limited, and each student requires a fair amount of work. But if I can make videos, I can share with all of you watching sort of the same tips and tricks that I learned after reading all those books and going online and reading through all the forums. And so that's what I'm hoping to do in these coming videos. I want to teach you guys how to apply to undergrad schools, how to apply to med schools and law schools and dental schools, so that you're not as terrified and confused as I was when I first started the application process. And so I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so you can remain up to date on new videos I post. And my goal is, whether you're a parent of someone who wants to go to college one day, whether you're an 8th grader who dreams of going to law school, or maybe you are a procrastinator and your college essay is due tomorrow and you have not started. No matter who you are, I'm here to help guide you through the application process. And I hope that together we can make sure that it is not as stressful as my own experience was. So comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.